The ocean is a world alive with sound. It is a vast, dynamic environment where every wave, every current, and every creature contributes to a complex and beautiful auditory landscape. Waves crash against the shore, a constant reminder of nature's power. The rhythmic pounding of the surf is like the heartbeat of the ocean, a steady, unending pulse that has echoed through time. Beneath the surface, a symphony of life unfolds. The ocean is teeming with creatures, each adding its own unique sound to the underwater chorus. From the smallest shrimp to the largest whale, every being plays a part in this grand performance. Fish dart through coral reefs, their movements creating a flurry of clicks and snaps. These sounds are not random, they are a form of communication, a way for fish to navigate their complex, three-dimensional world. Crustaceans scuttle across the seabed, their shells clicking against the sand. These creatures, often overlooked, are vital to the ocean's ecosystem. Their sounds, though subtle, are an integral part of the underwater soundscape. And then there are the whales. These magnificent giants are the ocean's greatest vocalists, their songs resonating through the deep. Whales are the ocean's greatest vocalists. Their songs and calls echo across vast distances, weaving a tapestry of sound that is both beautiful and mysterious. Each species of whale has its own unique song, a complex pattern of sounds that can travel for miles. Their songs and calls echo across vast distances, weaving a tapestry of sound that is both beautiful and mysterious. These vocalizations are not just for show, they serve crucial functions in the whales' lives. These sounds are not merely incidental, they are the very lifeblood of whale society. Through their songs, whales communicate with each other, maintain social bonds, and coordinate their movements. Through sound, whales navigate, communicate, find mates, and hunt for food. Their ability to produce and interpret these sounds is essential for their survival in the vast, often dark ocean. Imagine a world without sound, a world of silence. For whales, this is not a theoretical exercise, it is a growing threat. The increasing noise pollution in the oceans is making it harder for them to hear each other and the sounds they rely on. For whales, this is not a theoretical exercise, it is a growing threat. As human activity increases in the oceans, so too does the din of our presence. The noise from ships, drilling, and other activities is drowning out the natural symphony of the deep. As human activity increases in the oceans, so too does the din of our presence. The noise from ships, drilling, and other activities is drowning out the natural symphony of the deep. This cacophony of human-made sounds is a growing threat to marine life. Ships' engines, seismic surveys, and underwater drilling all contribute to a rising tide of noise pollution, drowning out the natural symphony of the deep. This noise pollution disrupts the lives of marine creatures, making it harder for them to communicate, navigate, and find food. In this exploration, we will journey into the world of whale sounds, seeking to understand their diversity, their purpose, and the growing threats they face. We will listen to the songs of different whale species and learn how these sounds are essential to their way of life. Join us as we listen to the ocean's giants and learn from their ancient wisdom. By understanding the importance of sound in the ocean, we can better appreciate the challenges these magnificent creatures face and work towards protecting their world. Among the most captivating sounds in the natural world are the songs of baleen whales. These majestic creatures, gliding through the vast oceans, produce melodies that are both enchanting and mysterious. Their songs have fascinated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike for decades, offering a glimpse into the complex lives of these ocean giants. Humpback whales, renowned for their acrobatic displays, are also the ocean's most accomplished composers. Their songs are a symphony of the sea, a testament to their intelligence and social complexity. Each note and phrase is carefully crafted, creating a rich tapestry of sound that can travel for miles underwater. Their songs, complex and haunting, can last for hours, echoing across the ocean depths. These vocalizations are not just random noises, they are structured and intricate, with each song containing multiple themes and variations. The whale's ability to produce such elaborate songs is a marvel of nature. These songs are not random, they follow distinct patterns with repeating themes and variations. Scientists have discovered that these patterns can change over time, with new elements being introduced and old ones fading away. This dynamic nature of whale songs suggests a form of cultural transmission, where whales learn and modify their songs based on their social interactions. Like jazz musicians trading riffs, Humpback whales within a region will share similar song elements, their voices blending in an underwater chorus. This communal aspect of their singing indicates a high level of social cohesion and communication among the whales. It's as if they are all part of a grand oceanic orchestra, each contributing their unique voice to the collective melody. But these songs are not static, they evolve over time. Just as human music trends change, so too do the songs of humpback whales. New phrases are introduced, old ones are discarded, and the song, passed down through generations, takes on a life of its own. This evolution of whale songs is a fascinating area of study, revealing the adaptability and creativity of these marine mammals. New phrases are introduced, old ones are discarded, and the song, passed down through generations, takes on a life of its own. This generational transmission of songs suggests that young whales learn from their elders, ensuring that the musical traditions of their species are preserved and adapted over time. While the exact purpose of these songs remains a mystery, scientists believe they play a vital role in communication, particularly during the breeding season. The songs may serve to attract mates, establish dominance, or simply strengthen social bonds. Understanding the full significance of these songs could unlock new insights into the social structures and behaviors of baleen whales. The songs may serve to attract mates, establish dominance, or simply strengthen social bonds. In the competitive world of the ocean, these vocalizations could be a way for whales to assert their presence and communicate their intentions to others. The complexity and beauty of these songs highlight the sophisticated nature of whale communication. Whatever their purpose, these haunting melodies remind us of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. They are a testament to the rich and vibrant lives of baleen whales and a reminder of the many mysteries that still lie beneath the ocean's surface. As we continue to study and appreciate these magnificent creatures, we gain a deeper understanding of the intricate web of life that connects us all. Unlike their baleen cousins, toothed whales such as dolphins, porpoises, and sperm whales have evolved a remarkable adaptation echolocation. This unique ability sets them apart in the marine world, allowing them to thrive in environments where light is scarce or non-existent. While baleen whales rely on their massive mouths to filter feed on tiny organisms, toothed whales have developed a sophisticated method to locate and capture their prey with precision. This biological sonar allows them to navigate and hunt in even the darkest depths, using sound as their eyes. In the pitch-black waters of the deep ocean, where sunlight cannot penetrate, echolocation becomes an indispensable tool. By emitting sound waves and listening for their echoes, these whales can create a mental map of their surroundings, identifying obstacles, prey, and other creatures in their vicinity. Imagine a bat flitting through the night, emitting high-pitched squeaks that bounce off objects, revealing their location. Just as bats use echolocation to navigate through dense forests and catch insects on the wing, toothed whales use a similar technique to explore the vast, dark expanses of the ocean. The principle is the same. Sound waves are emitted, they bounce off objects, and the returning echoes provide crucial information. Toothed whales employ a similar strategy. They produce a series of rapid clicks, focused beams of sound that travel through the water. These clicks are generated in the nasal passages and are directed forward by a specialized structure called the melon, which acts as an acoustic lens. The melon focuses the sound waves into a narrow beam, allowing the whale to pinpoint the location of objects with remarkable accuracy. When these clicks encounter an object, they echo back to the whale, providing information about its size, shape, and distance. The returning echoes are received by the whale's lower jaw, which is filled with a fatty substance that conducts sound to the inner ear. This sophisticated system allows the whale to interpret the echoes and build a detailed picture of its environment, even in complete darkness. Sperm whales, the largest of the toothed whales, possess the most powerful sonar system in the animal kingdom. Their echolocation clicks are incredibly loud and can travel great distances through the water. This allows them to detect prey, such as giant squid that live in the deep ocean far beyond the reach of sunlight. The power and range of their echolocation system are unmatched, making them formidable hunters in the deep sea. Their clicks, known as codas, are so loud they can be heard for miles underwater. These codas are not just random sounds, they are complex patterns that convey specific information. Each sperm whale has a unique coda pattern, which can be used to identify individuals and communicate with other members of their pod. This ability to produce and interpret complex sounds is a testament to the intelligence and social complexity of these magnificent creatures. These coders are not just used for navigation and hunting, they also play a crucial role in communication, allowing sperm whales to stay in contact with each other over vast distances. In the vast and often desolate expanses of the ocean, maintaining social bonds is essential for survival. Through their powerful and intricate vocalizations, sperm whales can coordinate their movements, share information about food sources, and strengthen the social ties that bind their pods together. Beyond the elaborate songs of baleen whales and the precise clicks of toothed whales lies a rich vocabulary of social calls. These calls, often short and sharp, serve a variety of purposes, from maintaining contact within a group to signaling alarm or distress. Orcas, also known as killer whales, are particularly vocal, their repertoire of calls rivaling that of some bird species. These calls are not just random noises. They are distinct dialects, unique to each pod, passed down through generations. Imagine a family gathering, filled with laughter, conversation, and the occasional raised voice. Orca pods are no different. Their calls, a mixture of whistles, clicks, and pulsed calls, convey a wealth of information about their social structure, their emotional state, and their intentions. By listening to these calls, scientists can gain insights into the complex social lives of whales, unraveling the secrets of their communication and their remarkable intelligence.